Hello kids. Kids, we will trace numbers 1, missing number 2, 3, missing number 4 and 5. 1 to 20. Let's learn colors name. Pink color, red color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, brown color, blue color, black color, violet color, orange color, yellow color and pink color. Red color 1. Green color, kids, this is number 2. We are tracing number 3. 3, 5, missing number 4. We are tracing number 4. Kids, this is number 5. 5, 4, 5, 6, missing number 6. Now kids, we are tracing number 7. 7. Now we will find number 8. Kids, now we are tracing number 9. This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. Now we are tracing missing number 12. 1, 2, 12. Kids, this is number 13. 1, 3, 13. And we are tracing 1, 4, missing number 14. This is number 1 and 5, 15. Kids, we are tracing 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. Missing number 1 and 8, 18. This is number 1, 9, 19. This is number 2, 0, 20. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.